Struggling to find the perfect outdoor furniture that's both comfortable and durable? Looking for pieces that combine style with functionality? Well, you're in luck. These top 5 garden furniture options are guaranteed to turn any outdoor area into a cozy retreat. Check out the link in the description for all the details. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5, the LAUSAINT Outdoor Patio Furniture Set. And trust me, you'll want to hear about this one. This 6-piece sectional is designed to adapt to your space needs, whether you're working with a small balcony or a sprawling patio. What's amazing is that it's made with PE rattan and thick cushions that seamlessly complement nearly any home style. Now, I know comfort is key when it comes to outdoor seating. That's why this set features olefin fabric cushions that are water-resistant and built to withstand the elements. Plus, the high-density sandwich sponge padding is 5 inches thick, perfect for those long conversations under the sun with family and friends. What I really love about this set is its solid frame. Made from galvanized steel, it supports up to 300 pounds per seat, so you know it's sturdy. Plus, the adjustable feet make it super easy to level the furniture, even if your backyard isn't exactly flat. Oh, and did I mention the matching footstool? It doubles as both seating and a coffee table. But let's get real for a moment. While this set is stylish and easy to assemble, there's a small hiccup. The individual pieces can slide apart during use. And while the cushions are pretty thick, you might want to add some extra padding for long-term comfort. Also, as much as this furniture is advertised for outdoor use, I recommend bringing those cushions inside during heavy rain to keep them in tip-top shape. At number 4, the YITAHOME Egg Chair. It's the ultimate spot for creating your own personal retreat right in your garden. Imagine sinking into a chair that feels like a hug. The black powder-coated frame supports up to 370 pounds, making it sturdy enough for most people. Plus, its 4-legged base gives you that reassuring stability, no matter how relaxed you get. The design is really something special. With soft padded cushions, lumbar and headrest pillows, this chair offers full body comfort. What's even better, it's made with all-weather wicker rattan, so it can handle the toughest outdoor conditions. But don't think it's just for the garden. Bring it inside and it'll add a laid-back, cozy vibe to your living room or bedroom. Pretty cool, right? I get it. No one wants to spend hours assembling furniture, especially when it's meant to be a relaxing experience. The YITAHOME Egg Chair assembly only takes about 30 minutes with 2 people and the included instructions, so you can enjoy it without a hassle. And don't worry, all the cushion covers come off for easy cleaning, so you can keep it looking fresh for years. That said, there are a few things to keep in mind. Some users mentioned that the assembly instructions could be a bit clearer, and certain parts might not align perfectly, which can take a little extra effort. The cushion thickness also varies, with some chairs having thinner padding than expected. And while the wicker weave is super stylish, occasionally there might be loose ends that need a little trimming. If you're close to the max weight limit, you might feel a bit of flex in the frame, but it's still a solid chair overall. Coming in at number 3, the Outsunny 4-piece wicker patio furniture set. If you're looking for a stylish and functional setup for your outdoor space, this set has you covered. It includes a love seat, 2 single sofas, and a coffee table, perfect for hosting game nights or family gatherings. And the best part? You can easily rearrange these pieces to fit your space. Now let me tell you about the design. This set features modern styling with extra deep, low seating and thick back cushions for ultimate comfort. It's made from hand-woven PE rattan, and the steel frame is built to resist weather and sun damage, way better than traditional wicker. So whether it's rain or shine, this set stands the test of time. But let's be real. I know one of the biggest challenges is finding furniture that actually fits your needs. This set does have a few limitations. The seating area is a bit smaller than it looks in the photos. While it's marketed for 4 people, it's more comfortable for 3 adults. And if you're like me, you might get frustrated if some of the hardware is missing during assembly. I've been there, and it can be a pain. Despite those hiccups, many customers find this set to be a great value for the price. The cushion comfort does vary depending on your height and weight, so just keep that in mind. And while it's marketed as weather resistant, it's really a good idea to use a furniture cover when not in use to protect it from the elements. What do you think? Does this set fit your outdoor style, or are you looking for something a little different? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts or questions. I'd love to hear what you think. At number 2, the Devoko 5 Pieces Patio Furniture Set, a fantastic choice for anyone looking to customize their outdoor space. This set is all about versatility, offering a sectional design that you can rearrange to fit your needs. It includes 2 corner chairs, 1 armless chair, an ottoman, and a glass coffee table. Whether you're hosting guests or lounging solo, this set adapts to whatever vibe you're going for. What's really cool about this set is the flexibility. You can easily mix and match the pieces to create different seating configurations. Perfect for patios, balconies, porches, or even poolside. And the PE wicker frame is built to last, handling all kinds of weather, while the thick water-resistant cushions keep you comfortable for those long outdoor hangouts. But I get it, comfort is key, right? While the cushions are water-resistant, they're not as thick as they look in the photos. At around 2 inches, they're okay for short sittings, but they won't feel as plush over time. The wicker is sturdy, but there are some rough edges, so be prepared to file them down before using it. Now, the assembly can be a bit tricky for some. The instructions can vary in clarity, and a few users have noted misaligned screw holes. And while the size is great for smaller spaces, the seating might be a bit too small for taller individuals, so keep that in mind before purchasing. Also, while the cushions are water resistant, if you leave them outside during rain, they'll soak up water, so make sure to bring them in if you want to keep them in top shape. And at number 1, the SERWALL Adirondack Folding Chair Set, the ultimate blend of comfort and convenience. These chairs are a game changer for outdoor relaxation. With adjustable backrests offering 3 different recline positions, you can easily customize your comfort, whether you're sitting upright or kicking back for a laid-back afternoon. What makes these chairs so unique is their folding design. They're portable, which means you can take them anywhere, from the beach to camping trips, or even just store them away during the winter. Plus, each chair has a built-in cup holder to keep your drink secure while you relax. How awesome is that? I know finding furniture that's both comfortable and durable can be a challenge, but these chairs have got you covered. With a 350-pound weight capacity and a 20.3-inch wide seat, they're designed to fit most body types comfortably. Made with high-density polyethylene, they're tough against the elements, meaning they'll keep their color and structure for a long time. Assembly is simple too, about 20 minutes with no special tools required, thanks to the detailed manual and included hardware. That said, there are a few things to keep in mind. While the plastic is durable, it can get pretty hot in direct sunlight, and the armrests sit higher than usual, which may feel a little awkward for some. The recline feature is handy, but it can be a bit stiff when adjusting. Also, the cup holder fits standard cans and small cups, but larger tumblers or water bottles might not fit. That wraps up our review of the top 5 best garden furniture options available today. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more home improvement content. Don't forget to check the description for links to all these products. Which garden furniture set caught your eye? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.